Today we've got 30 Amazon products that get your house clean without you dreading the process. Let's get into it. This Clorox ToiletWand system replaces your toilet brush permanently with disposable scrubbing pads that kill 99.9% of germs and never need to be stored wet. And it comes with 16 pads right out of the box. Each pad is preloaded with cleaner that eliminates hard water stains and limescale twice as fast as traditional methods, pops off directly into the trash when done. This professional-strength hard water stain remover tackles years of mineral buildup, rust, and water spots that regular cleaners can't touch. The commercial-grade formula works on glass, windows, tile, and grout. The aerosol application makes it easy to target exactly where you need it, and the eco-friendly formula gets the job done without harsh chemicals. This foaming drain cleaner clears clogs and eliminates odors without scrubbing or harsh chemicals that damage your pipes. The powerful cyclonic foam expands to fill the entire pipe, breaking down hair, grease, and buildup from every angle. Just press it into the drain, let the foam do the work, and rinse clean. Works in kitchen sinks, bathroom drains, showers, and bathtubs. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaner has taken over cleaning routines everywhere, and the floor cleaner version brings that same power to tiles, vinyl, laminate, and linoleum. It penetrates and dissolves stubborn stains, scuffs, and grime without scratching or damaging surfaces, safe enough for daily use, and leaves a fresh, clean scent behind. One of the most trusted cleaning brands going right now. Mopping the floor while you walk around doing other things is the kind of multitasking that actually works. These chenille mop slippers slip over your feet or shoes and pick up dust, hair, and debris as you move around the house. 5 pairs in 5 colors, elastic cord keeps them from falling off, and the microfiber material is soft enough for hardwood without scratching. Spray-on dish soap that activates without water first is one of those small kitchen upgrades you use every single day. Dawn Powerwash suds up on contact, so you spray it directly on the greasy pan, let it sit for a minute on the tough stuff, then wipe and rinse. Cuts grease in half the time with no pre-soaking, no running the tap while you wait. This mold stain gel cleaner removes years of stubborn mold and mildew from grout, silicone sealant, and tile with 0 scrubbing, and it's just $8.999, 10% off right now. Apply the gel, wait 5 to 8 hours, and wipe away. The mold comes with it. Works on bathroom sinks, bathtubs, washing machines, window frames, and kitchen surfaces, and one high-capacity bottle lasts up to a year. This 11-piece crevice cleaning brush set reaches every grimy gap and corner that regular cleaning always misses, and it's just $7.76, 22% off right now. 5 gap brushes, 2 L-shaped angle brushes for bottles and blenders, 3 heavy-duty wire brushes for tough grease, and a stain scraper for dried-on dirt cover every deep cleaning scenario in your home. These microfiber cleaning cloths tackle every surface in your home without scratching or leaving streaks, and a pack is just $6.99, 22% off right now. Ultra-absorbent, lint-free, and safe on glass, stainless steel, car paint, and electronic screens, they replace paper towels for good and machine wash hundreds of times without falling apart. Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria on any hard surface in your home. No bleach formula cuts through grease, soap scum, and grime on counters, stovetops, sinks, bathtubs, and cabinets without the harsh smell, and leaves a fresh tropical mango and hibiscus scent behind. The disinfecting spray every household should have stocked. This wall cleaning mop extends to 82 inches so you can reach high windows, walls, and ceilings without a ladder. And it's just $19.99, 20% off right now. 6 interchangeable pads cover wet mopping, dry dusting, and cobweb removal. The 90-degree flip panel reaches baseboards perfectly, and the 360-degree rotating head with built-in squeegee handles, corners, glass, and mirrors in one tool. This Angry Mama microwave cleaner steams away baked-on food and grime in just 7 minutes with nothing but water and vinegar, and it makes a surprisingly great gift, too. Fill her up, microwave for 7 minutes, and the steam that shoots out of her head softens every stuck-on mess so it wipes clean in seconds. Dishwasher safe, and way more fun than scrubbing your microwave by hand. These outdoor restorer wipes bring faded patio furniture, vinyl siding, shutters, and plastic surfaces back to life with a single wipe. The formula restores color on vinyl, plastic, brick, and metal while leaving a protective coating that guards against future sun damage and fading. 5 wipes cover 80 square feet, so one pack goes a long way around the outside of your home. The ChomChom roller is the pet hair remover that actually works, and it requires 0 sticky tape or refills ever. Just roll it back and forth across any surface, and the fur collects directly into the built-in chamber. Then press the release button to empty it and start again. Works on couches, rugs, car seats, and clothing. Reusable forever, and genuinely more effective than any lint roller you've tried before. These damp duster sponges trap dust, hair, and grime inside their 23 microgrooves instead of just pushing it around. No chemicals needed, just soak in water, squeeze, and wipe clean across blinds, ceiling fan blades, window tracks, and baseboards. Flexible enough to bend into tight spaces, tough enough to actually scrub, and reusable every single time. This wet and forget shower cleaner requires 0 scrubbing. Just spray it once a week, leave it for 8 to 12 hours, and rinse. It dissolves soap scum, body oils, and grime on glass, porcelain, fiberglass, and tile without bleach, ammonia, or harsh chemicals, and one 64-ounce bottle delivers about 12 weeks of cleaning power. These concentrated enzyme floor cleaning pods dissolve in seconds and deliver a streak-free, deep clean on any hard floor, and they're just $5.97, 25% off right now. Drop 1 pod into 1.6 gallons of water, watch it fizz, and mop when the bubbles stop. No measuring, no mess, no harsh chemicals, just 97% naturally derived ingredients that break down dirt and grime without damaging your floors. This stainless steel shower squeegee wipes glass doors streak-free and soap scum-free in seconds, and it's just $9.99, 29% off right now. The rust-resistant steel handle and premium silicone blade last for years. 2 adhesive hooks let you hang it right inside the shower for instant access after every use. And it works just as well on car windows, mirrors, and tile walls. This blind cleaning brush cleans 2 slats at once with 3 microfiber-covered blades, cutting your dusting time in half. The curved arms grip both the top and bottom of each blind simultaneously. 5 washable microfiber sleeves trap dust instead of spreading it around, and the 8.5-inch design reaches air conditioning vents and car blinds just as easily. These latex-free reusable dishwashing gloves protect your hands from hot water, harsh chemicals, and accidental cuts, and 2 pairs are just $9.99, 23% off right now. The non-slip grip handles wet dishes, cleaning products, and car washing without sliding. The long cuff keeps water out, and the soft flock lining stays comfortable through extended cleaning sessions. This Hope's Perfect Sink Cleaner polishes, protects, and creates a water-repellent barrier all in one step, and it's just $29.95, 12% off right now. Tough stains, water spots, and rust disappear without scratching any surface, and the invisible coating left behind makes water beat up like a freshly waxed car, so your sink stays cleaner longer between uses. This electric spin scrubber cuts cleaning time by 70% and runs 3 full hours on a single charge, and it's just $21.58, 28% off right now. 2 speed settings handle everything from light maintenance to deep scrubbing. 6 interchangeable brush heads cover tile, grout, bathtubs, toilets, and even car wheels. And the IPX7 waterproof rating means you can rinse the whole thing under running water when done. This Baseboard Buddy lets you clean every baseboard, molding, and trim in your home without bending down once. The aluminum handle extends to 4 feet. The flexible head with 360-degree swivel adapts to any profile or angle, and 3 reusable microfiber pads trap dust and grime wet or dry. One of those tools that makes a dreaded chore genuinely painless. This RMR 86 mold and mildew stain remover works instantly with 0 scrubbing. Just spray it on and watch years of black mold staining disappear right in front of you. It works on wood, vinyl siding, drywall, concrete, brick, and tile, penetrating deep below the surface where stains actually live. For serious mold stains that nothing else has touched, this is the one that actually works. This wet and forget outdoor cleaner attaches directly to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet to eliminate moss, mold, mildew, and algae from roofs, siding, driveways, and decks with zero scrubbing or rinsing. Spray it on a dry day, walk away, and let the rain and wind do the rest over the following weeks. One bottle treats up to 2,000 square feet and keeps surfaces clean for a year or longer. This 360-degree spin mop system wrings 4 times drier than foot pedal models and comes with 6 microfiber heads, so you're set for years. And it's just $57.99, 8% off right now. The stainless steel telescoping handle adjusts to 62 inches, so there's no back strain. 4 wheels and a pull handle make the bucket easy to move through any room, and one-finger wringing control is genuinely effortless. FOLEX is the carpet stain remover that cleaning enthusiasts have sworn by for decades. Spray it directly onto pet accidents, red wine, grease, coffee, ink, or old set-in stains. Work it in lightly and blot it away with no rinsing needed. Safe on carpet, rugs, and upholstery, and it genuinely removes stains that other products give up on. This Iron Out Rust Stain Remover Gel has been the trusted solution for rust stains for over 60 years. The thick gel formula clings to vertical surfaces like shower walls, tubs, and sinks instead of running off, dissolves rust stains on contact without scrubbing, and rinses away cleanly. When bleach and regular cleaners don't touch rust, this is what actually works. This plant-powered stainless steel cleaner and polish leaves a streak-free shine and fingerprint-resistant barrier on every appliance, and it's just $19.95, 20% off right now. The 100% USDA-certified bio-based formula works on regular and black stainless steel, refrigerators, grills, sinks, and range hoods without scratching, and the premium microfiber cloth is included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. These disposable drain hair catcher stickers prevent clogged drains for pennies a month, and 25-pack is just $11.99, 14% off right now. Peel, stick over any drain, and toss when full. No cleaning, no touching hair, no mold buildup on reusable covers. The waterproof adhesive stays put through weeks of showers and works on metal, plastic, and tile surfaces.